Dear investors, thank you for tuning in for exclusive podcast on important financial terms. Today we are going to talk about STP or Systematic Transfer Plan. STP is an automated way of switching money from one mutual fund to another. This plan is usually preferred when an investor reaches or is about to reach their financial goal and then chooses to reduce the market risk. The most common way of doing STP is to transfer money from an equity fund to a debt fund when you achieve or arise near to your goal. STP helps in rebalancing the risk and provides you the convenience to jump from one fund to another. So that's STP for you in short. Thank you for tuning in for this podcast. To listen to more such interesting content, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on your favorite social media channel. And definitely do not forget to share it among your friends.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.